Hello, Hermosa families. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access and turn in assignments. As you can see, I'm already logged in as my student. They are currently enrolled in these two classes. There are multiple ways to check for assignments. So your child could check by looking right at each class's logo here. This class doesn't have anything in this area, so there's nothing that is due upcoming in this week. This class, however, does have an assignment due. That's one way to see what is expected to be completed within the week. Another option is to click on the to-do list here, and that'll show you every class as well as the calendar. You can look at every class and the upcoming assignments. If your student prefers to just work on one class at a time without having to see everything that's due for all of their classes, they can do that by going right to that classes page, which is what I'm going to do here. Go ahead and click on tutorial class because I know I have an assignment due. And you can see it here. Again, there's an assignment due on Friday called sample assignment. You can see that the teacher posted a sample assignment at 6:06 today, and then they posted another quiz at 6:27 today. So you can kind of keep track of when the teacher is assigning these things to your child and how long that student has had access to that assignment. Up here is another way to get to the assignments, and it's on the classwork tab, and that's where I'm going to go ahead and go to. Here are the two upcoming assignments. This one's due August 28th. This one's due August 31st. Here you can click on work that the student has already been working on also. So here I'm going to go ahead and click on the sample assignment. And it says, please complete the following assignment. View the, that should say, and complete the attached worksheet. So here's the worksheet that I attached to this assignment. So I could go ahead and click on that here, but I also want to show you what the screen looks like from within the assignment before I go ahead and do that. So I'm actually going to click on view assignment. So this screen here, this is where you would navigate to if you were to go through the calendar or through the to-do list and click on the assignment. It would bring you to this screen. Here you can see how many points the assignment is worth. Again, the instructions, the due date. Maybe a classmate asked the teacher a question for all of the classmates to see as well. They could read them here in the class comments. If you have a question that you want to send privately to the teacher, you could send that here using the private comment. And again, here is that worksheet that was attached. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this worksheet. So I am going to have to do things just a little bit different than what you would see on your own computer. And the reason for that is because I am also signed in as my teacher account. So whenever I click this turn in button for myself here, it navigates to my teacher account. But this is where your student would click to turn in after they complete the assignment. So this is a worksheet that I can actually just click right onto and start typing right on the worksheet itself. So I would go through and do the assignment. Here I could click in each area of the table and add text. I can also click here to explain my answers, so on and so forth. I would go through the whole thing and answer the questions. This is circle one. You could actually use the highlighter instead if you don't have a touch screen or don't want to write on things. Okay, so the student completes the assignment and then they would click turn in right here. I'm unfortunately not able to do that because of the way I'm signed in. I'm going to pause this because I was not able to click the turn in button on the other screen. I just navigated back here to where I can turn in as well. And it'll give you an are you sure, turn in your work. And you just click turn in.